Hi everyone, welcome to Atari classes. What is a management group in Azure? So when you have multiple subscriptions, you can organize them using management groups. Management groups are containers that help you organize and manage multiple subscriptions efficiently. Example, you can apply RBAC role at the management group, and all these subscriptions under a management group automatically inherit those RBAC rules. Let's try to understand this with an example. For example, there is a company. They have two subscriptions. Can a company have two subscriptions? Yes, the company can have multiple subscriptions depending upon the requirement. For example, they have production servers, live servers which are running 24/7 into 365. No one should touch them. If anyone touch them, anyone does anything bad with them, then that is the last day. Company will order cake, wafer, samosa, everything will come. Last day, party will be there. And some company will not even give party also. So production servers are critical servers. So we have to be careful with them. We don't want to order a cake for us, correct? The next is testing servers. Testing servers, the software developers, for example, if you have a company and the company's main website is there, so and in that main website, the software developers wants to make some change, they will not directly go and make the changes on the production servers on the main website. They will first test it on the test website. So test servers are there. So some companies, what they do is they bifurcate the production and the testing environment. So they have multiple subscriptions, production subscription and testing subscriptions. Now, inside these subscriptions, they can have a resource group, like the prod resource group where the production servers are there. And here in the test subscription, test resource group, resource group test, right? And the test servers are there. So subscription, resource group, and the resource. Now, for example, where management group comes into picture, for example, there is a user admin one. Admin one, I want to give owner role, and admin one is very senior guy in the company, senior Azure administrator. I want to give the owner role on the prod subscription and on the test subscription. Then what I need to do is I need to go to the prod subscription, go there and give the admin one the role of owner, the RBAC role of owner. There I have to give. Then I have to go to the test subscription. Then I have to go there and then give the role of owner to admin one. It becomes challenging because if the company has multiple subscriptions, example like two subscriptions, in a simple example, two subscriptions, I have to go to the prod subscription, I have to go to the test subscription. So I asked Azure, do you have some funda of a group where I can just go and give the access of owner, the RBAC role of owner, to admin one on that group, and automatically admin one will get the RBAC role of owner on both the subscriptions. And then the permissions which we will discuss, they inherit from top to bottom. So Azure says that yes, we have a funda for you, and that is known as the management group. You create a management group, you put your subscription inside the management group. Management group will work as a logical container for the subscription. And then management will become easy. Once you put the subscription inside the management group, and then you go to the management group and you give admin one the RBAC role of owner. So admin one will become owner of both the subscriptions. So when admin one log into the Azure portal, will be able to see both the subscription and all the resource group and all the resources inside those subscriptions. Because once you give permission at the top, the permission goes from the top to the bottom, that is inherited. So that means if you give the permission, the role of owner to admin one on the management group, the admin one will be able to see all the subscriptions and all the resource group and the resources inside that management group. Okay, so few things we have discussed. Let's go back to the slide and let's come to the point. And what is the question? The question is, what is a management group? So when you have multiple subscriptions, you can organize them using management group. Management groups are containers that help you group and manage multiple subscriptions efficiently. Example, you can apply RBAC role at the management group. The way example we have taken of admin one, the role of owner on the management group, you can apply. Then all subscriptions under the management group automatically inherit the RBAC rule. And then these rules are automatically inherited by the resource group and the resources which are there inside those subscriptions. That means admin one become owner of all the subscriptions, the resource group and the resources inside that management group. Okay. So management group makes management easy. Especially it is required when you have multiple subscriptions. I hope you got an understanding of the management group. For more understanding, you can go to our website lms.atariclasses.in. Okay, so bye.